know Harry Roque? Do you know him? Do you have an idea of what his personality is? Meron kayong idea?
No.
Ano? Pareho tayo.
Thank you, Mayor.
Dagang salamat, Al. Si Richie sa, and then Randy after.
Because that would take. Kaya may dala ka mga diplomatic trade undersecretary, trade secretary.
Okay.
Okay. Sir Al,
I am just asking you to exactly, meron ka mang recorder, quote me exactly para walang misconceptions, misunderstanding.
Thank you, Mayor. Sir Al.
Okay, may gabi, Mayor Al Hinugin sa DXOW. Gihimong issue ni Bongbong Marcos just because of Harry Roque.
Ipalayo mo yung mukha nga mo kasi maliit ang kwarto.
Gihimong issue ni PBBM ang statement ni Harry Roque, and then your advisor, Attorney Salvador Panilo, sinabi niya, tinawagan ko ang presidente, nagkausap kami, walang gentleman agreement. Bakit sinabi ni Harry Roque na mayroong gentleman agreement at yan na ginagawang issue ni PBBM, Mayor?
Ano mo, si Harry Roque wala pa doon. Harry Roque joined my administration almost halfway na. Ang si Panelo ang nandoon. Wala si Harry Roque. He was not there because he was not part of the government delegation. So, wala ho akong maisagot dyan about Harry Roque. Ask him again. Ask him again.
Okay.
Kung may agreement man kami ni President Xi Jinping, walang secret agreement yan. We agree. Then after that, yung agreement namin, isasabi namin sa mga tao, foreign affairs particularly, to verbalize everything that is been said in whisper. Kung meron man ang agreement.
Bakit sinabi ni Roque, Harry Roque, wala pala siya doon noong panahon na yun, bakit sinabi niya na nakakalito at ginawang issue ni PBBM ngayon? Bago siya lumipad ng Amerika, ginawa niyang issue na meron daw kayong...
Do you know Harry Roque? Do you know him? Do you have an idea of what his personality is? Meron kayong idea?
No.
Ano? Pareho tayo.
Thank you, Mayor.
Dagang salamat, Al. Si Richie sa, and then Randy after.